Hello, I'm Victoria Chemko, Principal of Umami Marketing. Today I'll be talking about what you need to understand about responsive design when undergoing a website project. Keep on watching to find out all the details in this edition of the Digital Marketing Postcard. First of all, what is responsive web design anyway? Well, it's defined as the ability of websites to adapt to different screen resolutions in order to provide the best experience for users. For example, a site visitor will have a different experience on their desktop, computer or laptop, tablet, or mobile phone, to name a few. Responsive design will lay a technical foundation for your site that will allow for the introduction of new browsers and devices over time without having to recode for each one. Check out responsive web design in action by going to umamimarketing.com in your browser of choice and then dragging the corner of the browser window either larger or smaller. You'll see the website reorganizing itself for best fit within each width as you go. So here are some key considerations to keep in mind when it comes to responsive design. 1. Breakpoints. Breakpoints allow the layout of a page to change at predefined points instead of staying the same and adjusting to fit within whatever device you're using to browse at any given time. For example, there may be 3 columns on a desktop or laptop while only 1 column is displayed on mobile. The work to define this is done in the CSS and will depend on the types of content within a page. While breakpoints can be set at any size, they're usually done at the common device sizes for desktops, tablet landscape, and mobile landscape and mobile portrait at minimum. 2. Fluidity. Fluid scaling is used to achieve responsiveness between breakpoints to maximize your real estate, as well as maintain the flow of columns in a responsive grid. This can be done at the block or grid layout level to create the best experience when sizing down browsers, or moving down to mobile where 3 columns of content may then get stacked on top of one another. Fluid images to create flexibility is also a key problem to solve for with responsive design, so that they don't break or resize incorrectly on different screen resolutions. 3. Design for multiple sizes. One thing that you start to consider with responsiveness is whether to design for desktop or mobile first. If going from desktop to mobile, or large to small screens, you'll start to pull out content that may not be needed from your site. However, it may be better to design for the opposite, small to large screens, as this could be helpful in understanding limitations and informed decisions when going from one size to another, and then you can cut out anything extra that's not necessary from the beginning. 4. Media queries. Different views must be enabled in different contexts via media queries. Media queries is a CSS3 module allowing content rendering to adapt to conditions such as screen resolution, i.e. mobile phone screen versus a desktop or laptop screen. It became a W3C recommended standard in June 2012 and is a cornerstone technology of responsive web design. Put more simply, this set of rules allows developers to create designs that are fluid and adapt without losing quality or getting distorted on various devices. They help to take into account multiple display possibilities, and the organized style rules can be modified quickly and easily. 5. Optimizing user experience. When designing and developing for responsiveness, ensure that you're retaining the structure and order of elements from desktop down to mobile. This allows for fluid scaling while also reducing unnecessary load of duplicate elements that are hidden or shown at specific breakpoints. As a result, your site visitors will be able to experience your website in an optimal way, whether they're sitting at their desk, at a tablet on their couch, or lying in bed with their smartphone. So to summarize, what you need to understand about responsive design are 1. Breakpoints, 2. Fluidity, 3. Design for multiple sizes, 4. Media queries, and 5. Optimizing user experience. And now that you understand more about responsive web design, please check out our recent blog post covering more useful inbound marketing tips. And if you like this video, subscribe to the Umami Marketing YouTube channel and our monthly digital marketing postcard. I'll be back again next month in October to answer more of your questions, so I'll see you then.